Everyone, hold. No. Sini agen saklaiman motoino sini je sini TSF sini haste ganangai te haste ni fataro Shillong Guwahati hai sini jagao je sini Tripura haste ni sini rajani je itihas no selainai JD Mondol hai rok borok simani te abono kare je Nirusur hai borok rok abono publish khainai Tripura University wo ni distance education je political science book phurungjak tongmani abono sung condemn khlainai tini oro haste ganangai sung je agitation khai tongo sung tini JD Mondol haini je book no sung tini shokka sulus bogia sung tini je boni futla busa khai sung shokka karon sung saimano sini Tripura haste hazar bosor sekang sini Tripura sa 184 kingdom bai rule khaijak phayo a jagao bo bahai kai je 550 bosor sekang Tripura ni Bengali ruler by 550 bosor sekang rule khaina bo book siman without good information how bo amtege sikya abno sung condemn khaina sung chini TSF nengai Tripura University ne vice chancellor registrar te chini director no sung deputation dikha te chini deputation no sung deputation dukha boro amno tinai chini आज ये बुक न स्लाइना बाई बरो कग रिख्या अब हाइफन न संचिनि Tripura हास्टे न जे Tripura सरंग न सिसारन बागै जे अमता हाय जे मिसलेड खाइ तमन चिनि Tripura नि हिस्ट्री न जों तिनि फुनुगैना हास्टे गनाङै जों तिनि अमाके शक्का जों तिनि आगरतला टाउन कमिटि नंगैबो जों तिनि आस्तबल मातगानाव जों अरो फाइने बनि फुटला तैसे आ बुक नि कपि न जों सकना नांखा जों इ बुक रक जुदि स्लाइजा ग्या हांगाखाय जों बुस कांगतेबो सबा कतर फाइनान बागै बाद दंनाय जों बाद दंनान आबन बागै जों Tripura गभर्नमेन्ट ताइ जे इउनिभार्सिटी अथॉरिटीज न अबन कबंनाय as soon as possible न आ बुक रंग रेक्टिफाई खाइदि ताइ फ्यूचर जाते आबाहाय मिसलेड हिस्ट्री रक सिजा यातुय नरक आबन एनश्योर खाइदि आबाय कंट्रोवर्शियल बुक न बाहाय के नरक इउनिभार्सिटी अफ पब्लिश खाइने फुंगि तनमान अमसिनि TSM थेके तिनि मेसेज सिकोनसा मेसेज ताइ काइसे तिनि जे इउनिभार्सिटी नि जे रिव्यू कमिटि नांगमो साकलाइनाय जेखुनु इउनिभार्सिटी कलेज रक बुक पब्लिश खाइने सगां रिव्यू कमिटि दङ आरो आ रिव्यू कमिटि सिनि बरो उतंग बुइनि बरो उतंग नरो प्रॉपर्ली रिव्यू खायाव बाहायले बुंनो परि रिटर्न अमसिन बागि बेलेग कपाल हामिया बेलेग खा खामानि को आवन बागि आं जतो कबंनाय जतोनो अरो मिनि इनिशिएटिभ नाहादि सुरु TSF बि अम जतो Tripura सा लुकुरंनि सामु आं असक सावने सिनि एजिटेशन तिनि कामकाय नंखास ऑल Tripura व इवेंट सिनि Tripura नि फातरा बंखा जतोनो हामबाय of October, with TSF, as declared earlier, that one book is teaching in Tripura University, political science third semester. That it is written that Tripura was ruled by Bengal ruler, and it is written by the JD Mondol, and it is authored by the Nirusur. And we all know that Tripura was the independent kingdom, and 184 king rule in Tripura. And how can he rule that about 550 years ago, some Bengali rulers from Bengal have ruled Tripura, and we Tiprasa came from Burma, according to that book. So this is completely baseless. On this behalf, we have submitted our memorandum and we gave our deputation to the Tripura University Vice Chancellor and Director and registrars too. And also we have given our deputation to our Deputy CM of our state. So they assure us to rectify that book. And on this behalf only, today in the entire state, we are agitating against that book, that writer and that publisher. And not only in Agartala, all over the Tripura, also outside the Tripura, we are agitating and we burn the book. And not only book, we burn the J.D. Mondal and Nirusour's that teddy bear. And we want to give this message that you have to learn the proper history, then you should write the history. Otherwise you won't. Because everybody knows that we have independent ruler and 184 kingdom have ruled us. And how could you rule that we came from Burma and some other ruler have ruled us? This is completely baseless. If you keeping doing these things, we will not keeping silence in future, and we will do whatever requirement. So this is my small message to all the citizens.